Doggone Blues. This is 48 counts, it's 4 walls, and it has a 16 count tag. Turn my back now, I'm going to walk for 1, 2, right, left, 1, 2, kick and cross for 3 and 4, rush hitch cross for 5 and 6, coaster cross for 7 and 8. I'm going to turn and touch for 1, that's 1 quarter, 3, and that's 3, 4. Now I'm going to do boogie swivels, touch, balls change, and I move to the left. I do 2 of those. Sailor steps twice, 1 and 2, half turn 3 and 4. Hip walks with bumps 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Rock half turn for 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I did a side cross on that one. I'm going to go out to the side, touch the left, and 1, pop 2, pop 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Broadbills, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, paddle, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Do the last 16 counts, which start with the pop, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. You start wall 2. That's Doggone Blues.